popcorn
Where's my
monster.
popcorn?
Oh.
Well, excuse you. Sherry pants.
Oh, look at this. Now we're stashing it on the floor. Oh, again, we get too close to that.
Oh, goodness, thank you. You wish I can pay? one popcorn for you. Don't eat it all at once. Just nibble little bits on it like a little
Count your blessings.
One like this.
One.
Oh, just one at a time.
Will they give her a handful so she can
Okay.
have one? It's a baby papa. All right. All right. All right, Lupus. All right. One more time. Reggie, stop it. Stop it. Uh-oh, stop it. Look at that big truck in there. Okay, Santa's not going to come for you in the morning. Now we're not going to what?
Stop,
I
Nico!
don't know what to stop in front of.
I know.
That's Nico!
He's totally just like at the daycare when they just park right in front of everybody.
Oh! Here, Gammy.
Yeah. Or no, your only
I'm
chance.
not giving it to you. I'm just giving you a price. Hey, hey.
Okay, that's